So I have a question here for physics, those who are doing physics or science under electricity. It's a multi-circuit question. This is a circuit diagram which has got 12 volts there, an ammeter and a voltmeter here. Now, calculate the combined resistance of the 2 ohm and the 4 ohm resistor. These are in series. So resistance in series is equal to, it will be equal to resistance 2 plus resistance 4. This will be a direct combination of 2 ohm plus 4 ohm, giving us a total of 6 ohms. Part 2, 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistance. These are in parallel now. The total resistance in parallel, if there are 2, you just say R3 times R6 by R3 plus R6. This will be 3 times 6 over 3 plus 6. This will give you 18 over 9. This will give you 2 ohms. B says determine the reading on the ammeter, also determine the reading or the potential difference across the 4 ohm. Now for us to find the reading on the ammeter here, we need to take into consideration that current is only flowing in this loop here. Alright, it's only flowing in this loop. For this ammeter is measuring current flowing in that loop. Therefore, we need to find the voltage flowing here. Right, we need to find the voltage only flowing here. Now we found that the total resistance here. First, before we even go anywhere, let's find the total current first. The current in the circuit. Total current first in the circuit will be equal to total voltage over total resistance. Total voltage is 12 volts. Total resistance, remember we have 6 and 2, so give us 8 ohms. And this will give us 1.5 amperes. So this is a current flowing in this circuit. Total in the circuit, the whole thingy. Now, how do we find the current flowing in these two resistors? Okay. Now we have this resistance, which we found it to be 2. Now we need to find the voltage alone flowing in these two. Let's go there. No, we know that voltage is equal to current times what? Resistance. Now, since we found that our current is 1.5 times the resistance in those two, it gave us 2. So give us 3 volts. Since we know that this is the voltage flowing in those two, now we can find our current equal to voltage over what? Resistance. So voltage in this case, it will be 3 volts. Resistance, remember, it's 2. So give us 1.5 amperes. Then 2 says the potential difference across the 4 ohm. Now potential difference is just voltage, which is equal to current times resistance. Now current flowing in that circuit, it's the same, which is 1.5 amperes, because it's in series. Then resistance there you have 4. So here you don't even have to stress a lot. Just 1.5 times 4. That will give you 6 volts. As simple as that. So that's the question I had for you.